The distributive property is a really fun property because it involves both addition and multiplication. And typically you'll only see parentheses on one side of the equation rather than both sides. So let me give you an example. In order to expand the left side of the equation, you could use the distributive property. So basically, we're just rewriting this equation in a different, or this expression in a different way. And what you're doing is you're distributing the number that's outside of the parentheses, which is in this case the 3, to all the terms that are inside the parentheses, meaning the a and the 4. So what you'll end up with is the product of 3 and a plus the product of 3 and 4. These two things represent the exact same number. Let me give you an example in terms of numbers that maybe we can understand better. Let's work with 4 times 5 plus 2. Now if we apply the distributive property, we'll be distributing the 4 to the 5 and the 2 by multiplying 4 times 5, which we know is 20, and then adding that to 4 times 2, which we know is 8. So if we were to simplify the left side of the equation using the order of operations, we would start by adding the 5 and 2 together, and then we'd finish by multiplying 4 times 7. This is 28. Or we could have distributed first by multiplying the 4 times the 5, then adding it to the product of 4 and 8. And we would add 20 and 8 together to get 28. Regardless, we'll end up with the same thing.